What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we're talking about how to form an LLC for the lowest possible price and the best legal framework for your business. We're going to dig in and talk about which state is the best state to form your LLC. So we're going to start by going through the states that have lower registration or lower annual state fees and which have the lowest taxes for LLCs. Plus, we'll see which states you can register in if you're not based in the US or if you run an online business. Personally, I've tried a bunch of online services to incorporate some of my businesses. So we're going to talk about my top 3 choices when it comes to the best states to form an LLC and how much they charge to do it. So let's jump right in. Now, if you don't already know what an LLC or limited liability corporation is, it's a type of business that reduces your personal liability. And depending on which state you live in, it costs anywhere between $40 and $500 to set up. So you're going to definitely want to pick the best state possible. For example, some states like Kentucky and Mississippi have lower filing fees, with Mississippi at $50 and others even cheaper. But as we all know, the cheapest is not always the best. Of course, there are other factors like state fees, licensing costs, local regulations, and how friendly the state is to their businesses or LLCs. Now, some states like Cali have really high annual fees, also called a franchise tax. And they're a bit tricky because you only pay $75 to file in California. There's also a giant $800 annual fee as well. On the flip side, Kentucky is one of the best states for fees, with an initial filing fee of $40 and only $15 in annual fees. Plus, they have incentive programs for smaller businesses. But if you have a physical business that you run from your home state, no matter where you end up filing, you may still have to pay tax and business fees in your home state as well. So registering somewhere else doesn't always make a ton of sense. So try to keep things simple and avoid any headaches along the way, unless you want to use a CPA or some other tax professional. Now, you'll generally want to register your LLC in a state where you live. Of course, there are some exceptions, like if your business invests in real estate or if you're not a US resident or a citizen. In that case, I might recommend a state known to be friendly to businesses like Delaware, where you can file anonymously, or one with better tax laws like Nevada or Wyoming, or one where fees and requirements are very low like New Mexico. Now, the reason why it helps to use a filing service like the ones that I'm about to talk about is that they know and help you figure out all the ins and the outs when it comes to local regulations that you need to be aware of, as well as illegal services to keep you on the right side of the law in whichever state you end up going with. Not to mention that they do basically all the work for you if you use them. So first up is ZenBusiness, which based on my experience is my personal favorite. And speaking of choosing the state where you live for your business, they also advise against registering in a state if you don't actually live there, because you'll generally be obligated to pay tax based on where you're actually conducting your business, not where your customers live. So even if you run an internet business, you might consider just registering in your state, or consider moving to a more friendly state if you can. ZenBusiness is a free company registration service where all you pay are state fees. But of course, being a free service, it does not have all the features. For all of the extra benefits, you will pay around $200 a year for their Pro plan, which includes a lot of useful services like taking care of your business tax number or EIN for you, which you wouldn't get with the free plan, as well as what they call worry-free compliance, so that you're completely up to date with the legal hassles of whatever state you're registering. Now, for the best of the best, their premium plan, which costs about $300 per year on top of state filing fees. With this, you can get a website, a domain name, a business email, and access to a ton of different business document templates, which could end up saving you tons of time, hassle, and money later on down the line. That being said, ZenBusiness recommends that if all else is equal, Wyoming is one of the best states to form an LLC in, with filing fees of $104 and no personal, corporate, or franchise taxes. They also mentioned New Mexico, which according to them is actually a really great state you can opt for because its filing fee is just $50. Plus, you don't have to submit an annual report or pay any annual fees. Now, on the flip side, ZenBusiness actually does not recommend using Delaware because it's mostly for bigger corporations, but not smaller LLCs. And although it costs $160 to file in Delaware, there's also the additional $300 annual tax that you'll have to pay for every year. They also warn against trying to take advantage of the so-called tax breaks in Nevada, because Nevada charges about $440 in fees to start your Nevada LLC, and another $350 a year. They also offer specific help with New York filing, which requires a lot more to file an LLC, like running a newspaper ad for 6 weeks and 2 publications, which they will do for you. They also offer standalone services like a certificate of good standing and a business license report for $150, as well as what they call worry-free compliance that costs $200 a year. They can also work with non-US citizens who want to register a company in the United States and give you a registered agent. All in all, ZenBusiness gets my top vote for being the clearest about which state is best for you to form your LLC in. Now remember, if you decide that you want to try ZenBusiness or any other services to incorporate your LLC that I'm about to mention, you can use the affiliate links that are down in the description below. For most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their websites. All right, next up, Tailor brands. They focus on developing your brand and online presence as well as LLCs. And it's pretty comprehensive when it comes to services like websites and logo designs and registering your trademark if you have one, or if you want to make one. And in terms of plans and pricing, let's just start with the light plan, which you can get for free, plus estate fees. And with this plan, you'll get your papers filed within about 2 weeks. If you want faster filing, you can go for the essential package for almost $200 a year, plus state fees to get your filing submitted within 2 days. And you get some other perks. This annual plan also includes a compliance service for local laws and regulations and a standard operating agreement. Now they also have an elite plan. It's about $250 a year and includes a website, a domain, a logo, and other services if you're not just looking to start a company, but also looking to develop an online brand. Now, if you want to find out how much the state fees are, Tailor Brands will give you recommendations based on the answers you give them about your business and future plans. And if you want to incorporate your business as a non-resident, they can also be a big help, which not all services are. And just so you know, in terms of picking a state to register in, if all else is equal, they recommend either Wyoming or Delaware as the best states to register an LLC. So overall, Tailor Brands has great info on their website about which states are cheaper, better for privacy, or for doing business. And according to them, they also have a step-by-step guide on how to register an LLC, along with reporting and tax filing requirements for each individual state. They also provide registered agent services for about $200 a year, which is needed for out-of-state and foreign-owned companies where you can do it yourself. All right, now third on the list is LegalZoom. And they offer free registration, meaning that you just need to pay the state fees. And while they focus mostly on their legal services, they do also offer additional tools outside of their main plans, like providing legal document templates and legal advice for personal, family, or intellectual property issues. Now, their free plan is where you only have to pay the state fees, but if you want a standard operating agreement, an EIN, or employee identification number, which you'll need for tax purposes, and advice on business licenses and permits, you can find them included in their pro plan for a one-time fee of about $250. For that cost, they also include a library of 150 plus downloadable legal forms, as well as a customizable website powered by Wix. And if you want to go with their premium plan, that costs just under $300, which includes direct guidance from an experienced business attorney, one entity amendment with rush service, and one copyright registration. All of their plans, including the free one, come with consultation with a small business specialist. This makes them a great option if you need help with topics such as tax, legal, compliance, insurance, and more. Now, when it comes to which states to register, they recommend Delaware, Nevada, and Wyoming as states that offer advantages, but they also warn that this could mean you still have to register a company filed out of state as a foreign LLC in your home state. They offer services for non-residents to incorporate in America, and they do suggest registering in another state if your business has no storefront and you travel a lot. Say if you're running a consulting or an online business. In this case, they say that Delaware generally doesn't tax out-of-state income, so you can save on tax under certain circumstances. They also say Nevada is a good choice if you want to pay less, since it doesn't require annual meetings or operating agreements and has no information sharing agreement with the IRS, so it's a good fit for those of you who value privacy. They also say you should consider Wyoming because it has no annual franchise taxes, nor does it tax business income earned in that state. It also gives you more privacy if that's what you're looking for, because you can pay a proxy to act for you and keep your identity a secret. So the bottom line is that these online services can help you start a new business, and they all offer advice on the best states for starting a company. Each of them recommends something slightly different based on the information from their website. But usually, they all agree that you might want to stick to your home state to register. But if you can't, or you don't want to register, they all recommend Delaware, Wyoming, and sometimes Nevada. But this is not legal advice. Just want to make that clear. This is just a review of what each of the companies say on their websites. I recommend that you go to the website through the links down below and you go through the process yourself to decide which state is best for you. All right, so that's all for this video on which state is the best to register your LLC. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And if you decide to try any of these services to incorporate your LLC, use the affiliate links that are down in the description below. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to get back to any questions or comments as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.